Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss. The Smarty Pants Made in USA one-size-fits-all reusable cloth diaper in blue gingham. If you're looking for the best American-made cloth diaper, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. This Smarty Pants diaper comes with some impressive features that make it stand out from the rest. First and foremost, it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship you can trust. One of the standout features of the Smarty Pants diaper is its all-in-one reusable design. It's not only eco-friendly but also wallet-friendly. Instead of using thousands of disposable diapers, you can opt for just 24 reusable diapers, saving you nearly $3,000 in the long run. Now, let's talk about its performance. This diaper incorporates leak guard technology, which means it effectively keeps moisture contained, keeping your baby dry and comfortable. Plus, it's suitable for babies weighing between 7 pounds to 35 pounds, making it a versatile option that grows with your child. Using the Smarty Pants diaper is a breeze. Simply place the absorbent insert into either side of the sleeve, and it will stay snugly in place until it's time for a change. And when it's time to wash, you don't even need to remove the insert. It comes out in the wash, making it super convenient for busy parents. Not only is this diaper a smart choice for your wallet, but it's also an eco-conscious one. Every year, millions of disposable diapers end up in landfills, contributing to environmental issues. By choosing reusable diapers like Smarty Pants, you're making a positive impact by reducing waste and the resources needed for production. To sum it up, the Smarty Pants Made in USA one-size-fits-all reusable cloth diaper in blue gingham is a top-notch choice for parents who want the best for their babies and the environment. With its quality construction, leak guard technology, and eco-friendly design, it's a diaper that ticks all the right boxes. That's all for today's review. If you're interested in getting your hands on the best American-made cloth diaper, don't hesitate. Click the link below to get yours today. And remember, for more in-depth product reviews, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.